bottles up front.
Your water bottles up front.
On behalf of the flight crew and Southwest Airlines, we'd like to welcome you to Oakland. For your safety and the safety of anyone you might fall on, please remain seated with those seatbelts fastened until we reach the gate and the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. At that time, be careful opening those overhead bins. Items move around during flight. If you are connecting here to another Southwest Airlines flight, check the television monitors and